Okay, I'm off on a fairly long ride today. Not going to be too strenuous, but going to try to pick up a couple monuments that are the farthest away. So I'm going to take a more direct route to the San Diego Creek Trail. See how that works out. It's cold, still in the 40s, single digit Celsius. Okay, we're coming up to the Barton Mound Memorial. Yeah, on the San Diego Creek Trail, coming up to the Barton Mound Memorial. This is the last running gun battle between outlaws of the Wild West and what is now Orange County. The open space over here was once Lion Country Safari, and just up ahead they've got a memorial to Frazier the lion. A couple people I ride with say they've seen an eagle's nest. Lion Country Safari, a monument to Frazier the lion. All right, so this is the turnoff for the Venta Spur Trail off of Peters Canyon, just before you get to Irvine Boulevard. Well, the Venta Trail is beautifully landscaped and got a lovely cement path that meanders on the old right-of-way. Oops, here's something. The Venta Spur Trail. The Atchison, Topeka, and Santa Fe Railroad laid the first rail in Irvine on April 25th, 1887. Until then, Irvine had been without rail service because of a dispute between the landowner, James Irvine, and Collis Huntington, owner of the rival Southern California Railroad.